Hello guys, welcome back to this advanced mathematics YouTube platform. Through this video series, I try to show the advanced maths final exam paper solution, expected future questions, paper out series. Every problems are very useful, important. Any type of pure mathematics, applied maths, Edexcel, Cambridge, further maths, higher maths, or mathematics papers. These problem solvable methods, techniques, all. Okay, come back today. The important two inverse problems, a fantastic two inverse questions. In your combined maths paper, there's an inverse question comes under the trigonometry part, either a structured paper or as essay part, a final solve in inverse format or some proving of inverse format. Okay, so this question, first one, find the value of that. Nice work. පොඩක් දැක්ක ගම්ම බය හිතෙනවා වර්ගමූල අරවා මේවා තියෙනවා. Anyhow, start the way solve this. Okay, this is tan inverse sec inverse. Basically tan inverse a plus b, tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a tan b. We are frequently using in terms of tan. Therefore, I decide to work a sec inverse, convert to tan, right? So see, let actually what it is, sec inverse 8 plus 4 root 3 its square root over 6 plus 3 root 3 its square root, right? So I think that's theta. Inverse means an angle, sine inverse, an angle, cos inverse, tan inverse, that is an angle. So sec inverse, that is, I think, theta. So I try to find what is tan theta. Then with the both are tan, there's a part for simplification. It's an easy method, right? Sec inverse I use as theta. Therefore, what is sec theta? Sec theta is 8 plus 4 root 3 square root over 6 plus 3 root 3 over square root, right? For the best solution, draw a diagram, a right angle triangle. So this is a theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent divide by the hypotenuse. Therefore, this is 8 plus 4 root 3. But it's square root. Okay, so this becomes 6 plus 3 root 3. Cos theta, sec theta. Sec theta is that. What is cos theta? Reciprocal. So the 8 plus goes for here, this one. 8 plus 4 root 3. It's square root. And this is 6 plus 3 root 3. Okay. Then see this x. I apply the Pythagoras to find the x value. So x square equal to what? Square of this minus square of that, right? Therefore, no square root, the bigger one removed out, and minus this one, 6 plus 3 root 3. So simplifying 2, yes. 2 plus root 3 is the x square answer. 2 plus root 3. Therefore, x answer square root of 2 plus root 3. A nice work, right? Okay. So what is tan theta? Therefore, tan theta, this over this. Opposite divide by adjacent side. Okay, come back to the problem. If I start tan inverse. The question, right? See here. 1 plus root 3. See, you can use it here also. 1 plus root 3. Take the root 3 out. Take the root 3 out. Okay, take the root 3 out. There is 1 plus root 3, is it? 1 times root 3, root 3, root 3, root 3 is root 9. That is 3. Okay. Alright. See, sec inverse theta. I took theta. In terms of theta, sec inverse, this one. You can write what is in sine inverse, the same theta. 1 theta several format in terms of cos inverse or in terms of tan inverse, cosec inverse, sine inverse. So I need to write a tan inverse, right? Therefore, see that my right angle triangle. What is tan inverse then? Opposite divide by adjacent. Is it true? I took theta. A theta in a several format. In the sec theta is this. Same answer in terms of tan theta. X, that is 2 plus root 3, but square root over 6 plus 3. Nice question. Super problem. So dear viewers, please subscribe this, then you can receive to full hot video series, paper out exam series questions, future expectation. Once you subscribe, then you can reach or find all these solution workouts. Okay, see this cancel. Therefore, tan inverse 1 over root 3. Okay, the famous angle 60 degrees. Tan 60 root 3 is 30. Pi by 6, tan 60 root 3. Tan 30 1 over root 3. What is tan? See any format here? 2 plus root 3. 2 plus square root. See, dear students, see inside the square root. Can I take 3 out? Vargamula ettule 3 veliyedupam. Take the 3 out. So decay and root 3 ne. Okay, nice. Wow, once again there is cancel. Okay, finally, already work out, check these solutions. This is my method. So many methods could be. Tan inverse. So 1 over root 3. Wow. So both are same therefore. This is pi by 6, right? So answer pi by 6 plus pi by 6. That is pi by 3. 60 degrees or pi by 3 is the answer. A nice inverse format. Beer window naha. If your workout starts and you can get the answer. Okay, see another question of inverse function. 2 tan inverse x plus sine inverse this one. Simplify or find the value. There's a condition mod x less than or equal 1. What do you mean mod x less than or equal 1? If you square it, become like this. Okay. Take the 1 this side. I'm showing for pure maths from the beginning this case. Mod x less than or equal 1. A modulus form of inequality. Actually what? සැබෑටම මොනවද මේ? එයි මේවා දීලා ති සමහර අය ගණන් ගන්න they neglect about these conditions, but very important. So if you to remove the modulus square both side, right? Yes. So you know factorization x minus 1, x plus 1. So what the inequal of algebra, quadratic inequality? If two product less than 0, the answers between the least and the highest. Between the least and the highest. So for any function, the inverse function, something comes, the range is like that, you know, principal value of sine theta. Sine theta minus 1 to plus 1. Sine theta minus 1 to plus 1. Minimum minus 1, maximum plus 1. If you go to inverse part, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, is it? Sine principal value minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 values. Sine 91, sine negative that minus negative 1, minus pi by 2 plus pi. Therefore, for these things, they said the question because involved for the principal values, right? The inverse whether solu vidiyata hituwata, some question deeply you think about the principal value and go ahead. So metana ehmanang lamai principal value part, right? Okay. It's a simple case. If you well learned the many questions, trigonometry, heart of the mathematics. Ganitiya maha mola karu මේක නැත්නම් වැඩේ කරන් trig නැත්නම් වැඩේ කරන්න බෑ. You decide a suitable substitute, make a famous substitute. See what happened. Let x equal tan theta. දාමුද අපි x equal tan theta dandako. So 2 tan inverse x tademma tan theta, right? Okay, plus sine inverse x tadanda 2 tan theta x for tan theta 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So those who learn this is suitable question for the grade 12, grade 13, juniors, seniors of advanced mathematics, because these parts are grade 12, the beginning levels of trigonometry, but final exam question. 2. Tan inverse tan theta, theta, because first principle, the value is x. Sine inverse, what it is? 2 tan theta, 1 plus tan square theta, double angle formula. Because sine 2 theta, is it? Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, or in terms of tan, 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. What is cos 2 theta? 1 minus tan square over 1 plus tan square. Okay. So 2 theta, sine inverse sine 2 theta, 2 theta. Therefore, the answer 4 theta. If I mention theta, what is the answer? 4 tan theta x mean theta is tan inverse x. Okay, nice. So the question quick, I have booked the 10 minutes gatta, but when you're answering your alone, not much more time, but important. Once you learn this kind of question, mage target එක මේ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න එකපාරක් හරි Taman හදලා තිබ්බා නම් it become very easy in the future exam papers. But first time learning, little bit difficult. Maybe again the values are kanda romba bayama irukum. Okay, we'll see next time with the attractive video series. So please subscribe this and share.